Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 12, area related to circle. Before starting this chapter, we will revise some formulas based on plane figures. Then first formula is area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is given by base into corresponding height. Here corresponding height it is AM. Then area of triangle is 1 by 2 BC into AM. Equilateral triangle, formula based on equilateral triangle. If one side of an equilateral triangle is A, then height is given by A root 3 by 2. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angles are 60 degree. Area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 A square, and its perimeter is given by sum of side, means there are 3 sides. A plus A means 3A. Isosceles triangle, height of isosceles triangle is given by, if equal sides of an isosceles triangle is A and third side is B, then height of equilateral isosceles triangle is given by 4A square minus B square by 2. Area is B by 4 square root 4A square minus B square, and perimeter means sum of boundary, sum of sides, which is A plus B means 2A plus B. Formula based on rectangle. Area of rectangle is given by L into B, means length into breadth, means A into B, where A is length, B is breadth. Perimeter means sum of sides, sum of boundary, then A plus B plus A, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, B, then it is 2B 2A means 2A plus B. And diagonal equal square root diagonal AC or BD is given by A square plus B square. Square, in square all sides are equal, each angles are 90 degree. Its area is given by side square, means if the length of side is A, then it is equal A square. Perimeter, since all sides are equal, then it is A plus A plus A plus A, 4 into A. And diagonal is given by side root 2, side into root 2 means A root 2. Parallelogram, suppose its size A, length is A, and adjacent side, another adjacent side is B, then area is given by base into corresponding height. Suppose base is AB and corresponding height is DM. DM is perpendicular to AB. Then area is given by AB into DM, where AB is base and DM is its corresponding height. Perimeter sum of boundaries means A opposite sides in parallelogram are equal, B. Then perimeter is given by 2A plus B. Rhombus. In rhombus, each sides are equal, diagonal intersect at 90 degree, and it is a parallelogram. Area of rhombus is given by 1/2 into product of and perimeter is given by sum of side, means if the length of side is A, then it is 4 into A. Now trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal 1/2 sum of parallel sides into height. If parallel sides are AB and DC, then AB plus DC, and height is DM. Circle. Circumference of circle equal 2 pi r. Circumference of circle, it is the boundary of circle, which is 2 pi r. Area of circle equal pi r square, and diameter of circle is equal 2 into radius. Now radius of in circle of an equilateral triangle. If we want to find the radius of in circle, means circle touch the inner surface of a triangle, and triangle is equilateral triangle, we have to find OM. Then its radius is given by its radius is 1/3 of height, 1/3 of height of equilateral triangle. And if the sides of equilateral triangle is A, then its height is given by A root 3/2, means 1/3 into A root 3/2, then radius is equal A by 2 root 3. We multiply it and divide it by root 3. Now radius of circumcircle of an equilateral triangle, circumcircle means the circle passes through the vertices of a triangle, means vertices are A, B, C, and circle is passes from these points, and O is radius. Then radius is equal radius of circumcircle of an equilateral triangle is 2/3 of its height. means 2 by 3, and height of equilateral triangle is given by a root 3 by 2, then it is equal a by root 3. We multiply and divide it by root 3. Root 3 into 3 by 3 root 3. Then it is equal a by root 3. It is radius of circumcircle represented by capital R, and it is radius of incircle of equilateral triangle.